How to trick your brain into loving discipline. Everyone wants success, but only a few build the discipline to earn it. Discipline is the secret ingredient behind every powerful transformation, every success story you admire. But here's the truth most people don't realize. You don't need to force discipline. You can actually train your brain to crave it. And once you do that, you become unstoppable. Let's break it down. Step 1. Attach discipline to a powerful why. Discipline without a reason feels like punishment. But discipline with purpose, that's power. Find your why. Is it freedom, family, legacy? I used to wake up late, scroll endlessly, and complain about lack of progress until I asked, what kind of life am I creating with these habits? That question woke me up. Task. Write down one sentence. I want discipline because. Read it every morning. STEP2. Use micro-wins to trigger dopamine. Discipline doesn't have to be hard. Start so small that your brain feels rewarded for just starting. Make your bed. Drink a glass of water. Read one page. Every micro-win releases dopamine reward that rewires your brain to enjoy effort. Task. Pick one tiny habit you can do in under 2 minutes and do it daily. Celebrate it out loud. I showed up. Step 3. Turn your routine into ritual. Routines are tasks. Rituals are sacred. When you romanticize your discipline, your morning stretch, your focused hour of work, your study session, it stops feeling like a chore and starts feeling like identity. Light a candle. Play a playlist. Make it yours. Task. Take one current habit like journaling or working out and add something enjoyable: music, location, or reward. Step 4. Pair pain with comfort. Here's a brain hack. Link discomfort with something enjoyable. Listen to an audiobook while cleaning, stretch while watching your favorite show. Your brain starts associating discipline with pleasure instead of pain. Task. Choose one task you've been avoiding. Now, pair it with something fun: music, a show, or a sunny location. Step 5. Track the identity, not the outcome. Don't obsess over how far you have to go. Focus on who you're becoming. You're not just trying to get fit, you're becoming someone who values their body. You're not working hard, you're becoming disciplined. Identity creates momentum. Task. Write this down. I am the kind of person who. Fill in the blank with your new identity. Repeat it daily. Finally, discipline is not punishment, it's proof that you love your future. And when you train your brain to crave it, every day becomes a chance to build the life you truly want. So start small, show up daily, and become the kind of person you were always meant to be. Call to action. Comment below, what identity are you building? Let's grow together. Hit subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and join us here at Daily Thrives for your daily spark of motivation. And if this helps you, share it with someone who's ready to stop quitting.